So your email campaigns show 99% delivery, but delivery doesn't mean inbox. Your messages could still be going to spam because of a DNS configuration error. Let me show you how ResourceIT can help.
Open Health Checks and click on Generate Health Report. Select the email category. ResourceIT runs 19 checks targeting the DNS records that affect email deliverability, SPF, DKIM, DMARC, and more. Select the domain and run the health checks. In a few seconds, you'll get a scored report showing what's passed, what's failing, and exactly how to fix it.
But you don't have to wait for a scheduled check to catch problems. When you're editing DNS records directly, ResourceIT flags issues in real time. If you add a second SPF record, you'll get an immediate warning, because having two SPF records causes a hard authentication failure. Try to save an MX record without a priority value, and ResourceIT stops you before the mistake reaches your provider. You can always schedule health checks to run automatically and email you the results, so you always know where your email authentication stands. If you want to know whether your SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records are correctly configured, get alerts when something drifts, or want real-time guardrails that catch mistakes before they reach your DNS provider, check out ResourceIT.com.